easy chicken recipe with loads of black pepper and garlic. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you a super simple chicken recipe which you can make in 15 to 20 minutes. It's very flavorful and has the kick from crushed black pepper. Now I have chicken here which I have cut into bite-sized pieces. I like to use thigh pieces, but you can always go for breast if you prefer that. My chicken is ready here, and what you want to make sure is you take all moisture out. So I've taken a kitchen towel and I'm taking the moisture out. Now that my chicken is prepped, I want to move on to prepare my next ingredient, which is the key ingredient, and it's black pepper. For this recipe, I like to use whole black peppercorns, and I like to crush them using a pestle and mortar, but you don't want to crush them very fine. You want to leave some of them like this, and some of them will obviously become powderish. After that, it's time for mincing some garlic. Now, I love the flavor of garlic in my meat and other dishes. So I'm taking 6 garlic cloves here, taking the skin off, and then I'll mince it. But if you don't prefer or if you don't like using that much garlic in your dish, then you can take around 3 cloves. So all you gotta do is mince them because it's a very quick recipe, and I like to prepare my other ingredients so that I don't waste any time. Now pan on the stove, and to that putting some butter. This is salted butter. You can go with both salted or unsalted. It doesn't matter much. Let the butter melt, and once that's done, you want to put in your minced garlic. Fry it for around 15 to 20 seconds, no more than that, because garlic tends to burn very quickly. Next, you want to add in your chicken pieces. And now a nice aroma should be in your kitchen because butter and garlic makes such lovely aroma. Okay, I'm frying my chicken here, and soon you'll see chicken has started to ooze out some liquid. Let it evaporate, and the chicken will cook at the same time. Put your salt at that stage and then give it a stir. Chicken doesn't take long to cook, so everything is done very quickly. Now it's time to put all your black pepper, and you want to give it a good mix. Once you put black pepper, which is towards the end of the cooking, you don't want to keep it in the stove for very long, maybe 2-3 minutes, because otherwise black pepper will start to release a lot of heat, and you probably don't want that. Now it's time to remove it from the stove, and before that I like to add a little bit of cream. You can skip this, but it just adds a little bit of extra flavor. Put your double cream in and then give it a stir. And now let it dry out, which takes something around 1 or 2 minutes. And soon your chicken dish will be all ready to be served. I have made a small portion today and I'm going to dish it out. This is a very simple recipe and it's not for everyone because it has great kick from black pepper, but it's different than using other type of chilies. Now, this dish goes very well with naan bread, rice, paratha, roti, anything. Today I'm having it with some white rice, and that's it. That's my recipe. Let me know in the comment box how you like the recipe, and if you make it, share it with me on Instagram. I will be very happy. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Take care and bye.